All right, here's a question where you have to convert this degree measure to radians and to keep your answer in terms of pi. I sort of don't like how they do this question. For sure, you can go times pi over 180, and that'll convert things to radians. But if you need to keep the pi there, then really you should just go the negative 219.4 divided by 180 and just keep the pi there. But in the answer, they don't have any decimals. And so we have to figure out a way somehow of getting rid of that decimal 4 right there. So sort of a little trick that you can use is if you have negative 219.4 over 180, if I multiply the top by 10 and the bottom by 10, that's okay. But if I multiply the top by 10, then I get negative 2,194 over, on the bottom I'd have 1,800. And then I have a pi there. And then I can simplify that. So if I divide the bottom by 2, I get 900. If I divide the top by 2, that'd be negative 109, I think. Is that right? And then a 7? I think that's right. Pi. Okay, so the little trick there with that one, and I don't like that question because they say they want an exact answer, but it's funny to me to take, you're given a decimal answer and for them to require a fraction in the end. Seems a little funny. On my test, I wouldn't do that. I would, if you did this, I'd be happy with that. But if you did something like this and then just divided those two numbers and came out to negative 1 point something pi, that'd be fine too. All right, hopefully that helps.